Hello, hello, I'm back. It's me, India. He's taking his bike out. I'm taking his bike now. Let's see the brakes. No, these real brakes will not stop this bike. You're doing 50 miles on a bike, 50 mph on a bike, and these real brakes. You will die on a bike, you will die. And then you get a 40 teeth sprocket. You will get your speed, a lot of torque on it, a lot of torque. I prefer you better put some Loctite in them screws right there. Well, let's check out. Hold up, we got a pulley. We'll keep the pulley because he got a heavy duty chain right there. Okay, this is the super head. Let's check it out. This is super head right there. This super head. And the window piston. He got the window piston himself and got the window piston. And hold up, we got the BMX bars and the BMX bars in the ball. Let's check out the BMX bars. Yeah, the BMX bars are good. They're very good for control. And this Suzuki chamber pipe. Yes, it's a very good pipe. You get the power button in it in seconds. Less than a minute, you get a power button. So thanks for watching this channel and tell all my Indian girls come see me. I'm in America now.